Hi, my name is Luna and I'll begin our presentation. Our group is presenting the path goal theory and Tesla's sustainability and CSR as the part of assessment number two. I'll start by introducing the context, the theory, and an overview of Tesla before handing over to my team. In this report, we will apply the path goal theory of leadership to Tesla. The goal is to show how leadership behaviors can improve both sustainability and corporate social responsibility. We focus on two main problems areas. One is environmental issues and two is CSR concerns. Environmental issues such as battery supply chains and limited cycling, CSR concerns such as diversity, workplace safety, diversity, and governance. Our findings show that the four leadership styles from path goal theory can guide Tesla's toward better sustainability and CSR outcomes. Now, a quick look at the path goal theory. This theory views leaders as guides. They clarify the path, remove obstacles, and motivate their team. It highlights four leadership styles: directive, supportive, participative, and achievement oriented. Directive, giving clear rules and standards; supportive, focusing on employee well being; participative, involving employees in decisions; achievement oriented, setting ambitious goals and driving innovation. The strength of this model is that leaders can adapt their style depending on the situation and need of their team. Path goal theory has some clear strengths and limitations. It, its strengths are that it's very flexible and focuses on motivation and satisfaction, whereas it can be difficult to apply in practice. Leaders may need to switch styles quickly, which isn't always realistic. It also assumes leaders always know the best style to use, which may not be true. And finally, the theory pays less attention to larger organizational systems like culture or company policies. So that's the strength and weaknesses. Now let's connect this to Tesla. Tesla was founded in 2003 and its mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. By 2023, it delivered over 1.8 million vehicles, becoming a global leader in electric cars, batteries, and clean energy solutions. It's a major success story, but at the same time, Tesla faces heavy criticism in two areas: its sustainability practices and its CSR issues. These are the areas where path goal theory can help guide solutions, which we will explain in the following slides by our another team member. Thank you.
This side Shubjot Singh Randhawa, and my student number is 65020. My friend Luna recently explained about the overview of Tesla theory, and I'm gonna explain about the issues. And the issues, the first issue is sustainability challenge. Let's look at the first challenge, sustainability. Tesla electric cars run on lithium-ion batteries, which requires metals like cobalt, nickel, and lithium. Unfortunately, cobalt mining, especially in the Democratic Republic of Congo, has been linked to unsafe conditions and child labor. Another issue is recycling. Currently, less than 5% of lithium-ion batteries are recycled globally, which creates huge environmental waste. And applying path goal theory here, supportive leadership could encourage ethical cooperation with suppliers. Achievement oriented leadership could push innovations in battery recycling. Second issue is CSR challenge. The second challenge relates to Tesla's corporate social responsibility. There have been reports of high injury rates at Tesla factories, long working hours, and safety concerns. In addition, Tesla has faced criticism for poor diversity in its leadership and weak governance structures. Here, path goal theory suggests a participative leadership styles where employees are involved in developing CSR policies, and directive styles where leaders enforce clear safety and ethical standards. Here are some recommendations like short term. Based on the challenges, we have some recommendations. In the short term, Tesla should develop supplier code of conduct to ensure ethical practices in a supply chain and launch a small pilot project for battery recycling in a key material markets. Here, directive leadership would enforce strict supplier standards, which supportive leadership would build a trust and cooperation with partners. Some long-term recommendations. For the long term, we recommend Tesla to create a global CSR communication strategy. This would include publishing transparent reports, partnering with NGOs and governments, and setting up bold goals such as becoming a first car maker to use 100% recycled batteries. Here, achievement oriented leadership can push ambitious goals while participative leadership ensures all stakeholders are included. And here, in conclusion, Tesla is a global leader in clean energy and electric vehicles. However, it faces serious challenges in sustainability and CSR, especially in supply chain and workplace practices. Applying the path goal theory shows that leadership can play a key role in solving these problems. Directive and supportive leadership for ethical supply chains, participative and supportive leadership for employee well being and diversity, and achievement oriented leadership for ambitious CSR goals. The highlights how adaptable leadership is crucial for Tesla growth as a responsible company. I want to say that thank you for listening our presentation.